Hello everyone and welcome to this special edition of Growing with the Gold. Today we are planting Mr. Pickles seeds, courtesy of Nick Kennedy at California Pumpkins on Instagram. These are championship level pumpkins, an over 2,000 pound pumpkin these came from. We're so excited to get these into our greenhouses and into our test gardens. Thank you, Nick. I'm donning the pickle suit for the Mr. Pickles pumpkins. Let's get started. So we gave these Mr. Pickles seeds a good soak. Now we're gonna get them into our pots that properly labeled so we don't lose track of Mr. Pickles. These Mr. Pickle birthmarks are important. So we're gonna get just a couple more of these varieties from Nick potted here. We've got a 1940, and we have some 1940 offspring that we just got planted over here. We're just gonna do all the giant pumpkins. Thanks, Nick. We've got all these seeds planted. Check back in with us another time to see how Mr. Pickles is doing here on Growing with the Gold.